Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete Google Lens photos. So first of all, what you have to do is swipe right from your home screen, click on your profile icon, and then select Manage your Google account. Select Data and Privacy. Select Web and App Activity. It will open a new page. Now scroll down just a bit. Here you'll be able to see different icons. You have to swipe and find the Google Lens icon, which is this icon. Select Google Lens. It will open this page. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see all of your Google Lens searches. What you have to do is simply select the cross button and click on delete to delete that specific Google Lens photo search. You can also click on the drop down menu of the delete button, and you can select delete today to delete all of the today's Google Lens searches, or delete custom range, or delete data of all time. All you have to do is select any option of your choice, and that's simply how you can delete Google Lens photos. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.